Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are well. Today we are going to learn Unit 1 Sets Exercise 1.2 question number 9. And in this question we are going to learn power set. First of all, we have to learn the definition of power set. In set theory, the power set or power set of a set A is defined as the set of all subsets of the set A, including the set itself and the null set or empty set. It is denoted by P in a bracket A. In bracket we write the name of the set. Here we have set A, so we write A in a bracket. If we have set B, so we write B in a bracket. So in the bracket we write the name of the set, and P denotes power set. Basically, this set is the combination of all subsets including null set of a given set. Find number of elements in a power set. It's your exercise related question. If A is a set of number 1, 2, 3, 4, find power set of A and also find number of element in power set. To do this question, first we have to find the second thing, which is number of element in a power set. And for this purpose, we use the formula to find the number of element in power set, and the formula is 2n. In this formula, power n represent number of element in a given set. So power set of A is equal to 2 is to power n is equals to 2, and we write the number of element in the place of n. So the number of element are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in the set we have 4 elements, so we write 4. Now we have 2 to power 4, and 2 with power 4 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Now 2 is to 2 4, 4 is to 2 8, and 8 is to 2 16. So the answer is 16, which means that we have to make 16 subset of A in the power set, because power set is the collection of all subsets. Now here are some practice questions. If B is a set of alphabets A, B and C, Q is a set of number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, S is a set of numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. You have to find the number of element in power set of the above given sets by using formula. You have to find the answer verbally. Now we will make the power set of the previous question. So the set A 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we have found the answer of the number of element, and the answer is 16. So which means that we have to make 16 subset of set A. So let's start. So power set A is equals to, the very first set is a null set. After this we will take the single element and we will make the singleton set. So we take 1, 2, 3 and 4. After single element we have to take two elements together, and for this we keep the first element fixed. So we write 1, and with 1 we take other elements. So in first set we take 2 with 1. So 1 comma 2, then 1 comma 3, then 1 comma 4. After 1 we have to keep 2 fixed, so we write 2, and we take other elements with 2. So 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4. After 2 we have to take 3, so we write 3 and we take 4 with 3. We have to make it sure that the element must not be repeated in any sequence, which means that, for example, if we have element 1 comma 2, we cannot make the set of 2 comma 1. Both are equal set, so we cannot make the set of 2 comma 1. So we have to make it sure that the element must not be repeated in any sequence. After 2 elements, we will take 3 elements together, and for this first we take the first, second and third element. So we write 1 comma 2 comma 3. First we have to take 1 and 2 fix, so we write 1 2, and with 1 and 2 we take 3, and with 1 and 2 we take 4. After 2 we keep 1 and 3 fix, so we write 1 3, and with 1 and 3 we take 4. Now we take 2 and 3, we keep 2 and 3 fixed, so we write 2 comma 3, and then we take 4 with 2 and 3. Now we cannot make any possible set of 3 elements, so in the end we make the improper subset, which is 1 2 3 4, which is the set itself. So we have to make 16 elements set. So let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. Let's take another example. If n is a set of alphabets A, B and C, find power set and number of its elements. Again, first we find the second thing, which is number of element. We write power set n. In a bracket we write n because the name of the set is n. So power set of n is equals to, the formula is 2 to power n. We write power set of n is equals to 2. Now we have 1, 2 and 3 elements, so we write 3 in the place of n. 2 to power 3 means 2 is multiply 3 times by itself. So power set of n is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 8. Now let's make the power set. Okay, the first set is a null set, and then we take the single element. So first we take A, then B, then C. After single element we have to take 2 elements together, so we keep A fixed and then take B with A, so A comma B. Then we take C with A, so A comma C. Then B with C, B comma C, and now we cannot make any possible set of 2 elements, so we write A. We make the improper subset, which is the subset itself, which is the set itself. So the last subset is A comma B comma C. Let's count. We have to make 8 elements. We have to make the power set of containing 8 elements. So let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. I hope students you all have understood. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.